Okay, this one's a funny one.
Let's
I
hear
like
it.
this one. When did you realize your friend secretly hated you? When she let me walk around with my wig lifting on my birthday. And I asked her to take birthday pics, and she put no effort into it. Imagine.
Aye.
Oh,
That is sabotage.
that is sabotage, and that is also the last one. Imagine
Yeah, man.
that. Walk up with your wig and your tracks showing, and you know that just look.
Yeah, for girls, that's like that's a no.
That's
Yeah.
not it.
It's like seeing your boy with a lineup
Yeah.
that goes
With
goes
a
all the way
body-
up in his head,
Body haircut.
and you say, "Wow, you look good. Wow, where did you cut your hair? Wow."
I just don't acknowledge it. Like, if I get a body haircut, I
Yeah.
want you to tell me.
Of course, if
'Cause-
if I smell bad, which will never happen, I want you to tell me.
Exactly. So we can put a hat or go have a shower.